If you guys have actually been checking out the markets, there's been a lot of funny business going on, especially when it comes to these meme stocks like AMC, GameStop, Dogecoin, all these different types of things that make you feel like you are missing out. And if you are not participating, it is fine. I want to tell you that just from my perspective, because I'm sticking to my plan. If you have a plan, you want to stick to the plan. Sticking to the plan is what is actually going to make you get to the goals that you want to get to. Now think about it like this. If you were to have a goal or have a plan and you are running the plan and you are following it as you are supposed to be, and there are little distractions that keep on coming your way, in which they will, these distractions will come out of nowhere and they're going to be begging for your attention. Now, if you're running in a straight line, you can't get distracted, because once you get distracted, you're not running in a straight line anymore. You're actually running off of the straight line because you're feeding to that attention that this distraction is trying to take you away from your goal. And if you have tunnel vision, you will be at your goals a lot more faster. Now, not participating in these meme stocks and not participating in this crazy flips that people are doing. They're putting in like $1,000 in some cases and they're coming out with 30 grand. And I honestly feel the pressure of the fear of missing out. But since I've been doing this for a while, I honestly do not have any remorse of not getting involved into these stocks, because they are a gamble for 95% of the time. It has usually nothing to do with fundamentals or just the business itself. It has everything to do with people who are shorting the stock, people who are just gambling their money away because the last person may turn $1,000 into $10,000 in a week. And this sounds very, very attractive, guys, but it is only here for a short amount of time. If you're playing the long term with any type of investment, you understand that fundamentals in the business model you have to actually love, so that giving up your money to this company is a lot easier process than actually feeling like you are missing out of the action because of this small point of time where the stock price is going crazy or the cryptocurrency price is going crazy, just off of people going wild. And it's like a casino, but more sophisticated, because you think you own something, but realistically what you own is not what you own, because you don't actually do any research into the company and you're not holding it for the right reasons. Now, the positions that I have in my portfolio, as you can see right here, I have GGTTF, I have TTCF, I have Tesla, Apple, all these companies right here. I have a level of understanding. It is within my competence, I believe, and it's because I believe into these companies for the long term. So I look out 5 years from now, and usually the YouTubers that I follow, they usually do a good breakdown of these stocks or stocks, and they tell me the reasons why they hold, and I could get behind that, and I can be like, you know what? They did their research. I'm gonna do my research, and everything they said, it's confirming my belief and confirming their own belief that, hey, this is a really, really good company. So the story here that I'm trying to tell you is that if you have a plan, if you're on path to something, there's going to be a lot of little distractions. And sometimes these distractions add up and it makes you feel some type of way, like you're not doing enough, or if you're not, making a lot of money. And this is only for the people that don't have a long-term plan. They like these little distractions. They can't hold thought, and holding thought is the most important thing. If you are trying to break a habit or actually create a new habit, you will understand that holding thought, meaning that you're holding the habit as a priority for a long period of time, is the hardest thing you could actually do. Starting something and then quitting is easy. Because quitting is easy, you could get to do it a lot of times. But remember, do not quit. Keep following the path. And like in my journey myself, do I think that, I'm going to get caught off my process or I'm going to get knocked off of my lane? I most definitely am. But as long as you could try to reduce those number of distractions and knockoffs of your perfect line, then you would be in a better position and you would get to your destination a lot more faster. So thank you guys for tuning in. Smash the like button and hit the subscribe button. And guys, don't forget, stay your path, stay the course. Good things do not happen to people who are not disciplined, and good things do not happen to people who can't hold thought and hold their priorities straight. So peace out. Thank you guys for tuning in.